Volume 5 on them fuck ass niggas, man.
It's your boy.
Full ammunition, volume 5, I'm live, I'm outside. I'm strapped in, I'm ready to ride. Too live, Uncle Luke, shawty swallow my pride. This she out the front door by 5. No chill, keep it real. Fact, never trust these clowns. Walk around in skinny jeans, looking suspect now. Damn, I be chillin' in some polo sweats. Violin, wish she work, she be giving me neck, and she a beast. I love her, so I quickly accept. She lick it, I melt. No safety, so no need for the belt. I be lighting up the tree, someone give me an elf. I move alone, I ain't needed the help. Well, besides envy, the pistol it be getting them felt. If you want it, here it is, you can get it yourself. Fuck fame, fuck bitches, you can give me the wealth. And if I want it, I'ma get it or else. What's left? Stunt, the booth, left a body in there. I'm a dog off the leash, everybody beware. Is it fair? Maybe, but it's not a concern. 2 switches full of purple and they gotta be burned. Respect, it's never given, bitches gotta be earned. On the mic, I got the juice, bitch, I'm hot as a perm. Keep the 9 on my lap like I'm 09 Rondo on the Pronto. I'm scheming in that all-white Bronco, get the mask. Scheming for some pussy to slay. When I'm smoking, hearing nothing you say, I'm nothing to play. Damn, they thinking this he bluffing today. I don't need Nan, nigga, David Ruffin today. Me and Nina, she even brought a cousin to play. I call her Tina, she kicking, then I dust him away. Boom, up front, make the customer pay. Middle finger flipped up, put it up in his face. Nobody, no case, jury never convict. Turn the microphone on, bitch, I'm ready to spit. Keep my hand up on the heater like an oven and mitt. I'm a fucker, then I treat her like she doesn't exist. Catch a dozen of this, a dozen of that. Green guys get the green, just don't fuck with the rats. Hit the mall with a band, spin a couple of stacks. Full ammunition 5, man, who fucking with that? Nah.